Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the National Anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next. We now invite you to stand for the Australian National Anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to our very last Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly for the 2021 school year. Well, with 1 week to go, we have many exciting events planned, and we've still got many things that we need to cover off and complete around the school in that last week. This morning we have celebrated the Year 6 graduation in the gym, and we're able to provide a live stream link so that parents can watch the graduation, and our students may even want to watch it over and over the next 2 weeks. And after reviewing the graduation program and events and the time and energy our staff have allocated to planning, our students will certainly participate in a very memorable event concluding their many years of primary school education. Some of the supporting activities we've got organised for our Year 6 students today, and not only some fun games activities, but our students will receive a snapshot of the year, their Year 6 yearbook. There'll be photo opportunities around the school, and the bit I'm really looking forward to is the ice cream van. Can't wait. Next week in school, as I said, many activities we've still got to complete, and as you know, on Monday is our Christmas dress-up day. We have class parties occurring during the week, and our Year 5 students, that's one group of our Year 5 students, will head off on a 3-day camp to CYC at Phillip Island. So I know it's going to be a lot of fun, and a really big thank you to our staff who are giving up their time, especially at this busy time of the year, to ensure our students finish up with, well, a camp to the island. I know it's going to be a lot of fun. Friday morning we'll be conducting the whole school assembly, and again that will be live streamed to parents to watch at the time, or you can watch it again over and over if you'd like to within the next 2 weeks. Well, this will be a wonderful occasion, the assembly, to announce our school captains, our house captains, our student representative students, and all our leadership positions for the new year. We'll also recognise student achievement, and we'll be presenting awards to students and taking that opportunity to congratulate and farewell our Year 6 students. And of course we'll be farewelling staff who are leaving the school. Friday also we've got an activity where our students will meet their 2022 home group teacher, their new classmates, and it'll be a wonderful opportunity for us to welcome new families and new students into the school. Give out a reminder also that on the last day, Friday, we'll be finishing school a bit earlier than normal. We'll be finishing school at 1:30. Well, this year has once again seen school operations and our learning, our wellbeing and engagement of our students, staff and school community impacted. But our staff and students at all levels of the school are to be congratulated for your ongoing commitment and work, either during the face-to-face learning or during the times when we've had to move into remote and flexible learning. I certainly thank you, pass on my thanks and appreciation, my gratitude for your enthusiasm that you've shown, your resilience, your adaptability, your flexibility and productivity, as we focused on those priority areas of learning, catch-up and extension, happy, active and healthy kids, and connected schools. I also acknowledge and send out a special thanks to our parents and carers for your support and your partnership during this time as we supported our students. I know it hasn't been easy, especially with balancing everything we have to do with our own work and home lives, as well as learning from home. And for that, again, thank you. To our families leaving the school, I wish you well and every success. And in closing today, I would just like to say take care, enjoy the coming Christmas and school holidays, enjoy the time with family and friends, rest up, recharge, and I look forward to seeing you all back at school on day one next year. Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Our app is called Brain Guide, and we basically made this app so people who have a lot of anxiety control it a bit easier with this app.
So this is our front page. So you can first log in. If you have already an account, log in. Or you could sign up.
And it'll basically go to the same page where this is, oh gosh, that did not, well, this is our home page where you can have peaceful music which goes to YouTube and it'll play peaceful music. You can write, and this is a paragraph encouraging our people to write about what they're anxious about. If you click here, it'll go to the place where they can write. If you go back and to your home, the chat is basically the same thing, and if you click this message button, it will go to a Gmail thing where you can actually type, and this will send to my Gmail up here. So if you go back, there's a playlist, again kind of like the peaceful music, except you can choose the song and whatever you click will go to that song. Phone, we just made up a random phone number. This isn't actually real. Go back. And then log out is the final page where it's basically a rating thing. And no matter which one of these you press, it'll go back to the home page or the title screen.
My app is called CM, and I made this app for teachers to trust their students with playing their music.
This describes what CM is. CM is designed for teachers so that they can trust their students with their music, and CM stands for clean music. This is obviously the login page where you log in and then you submit your thing, and then just comes up with playlist, song requests, and message and settings. You can press playlist and just listen to music. And yep, song requests, you just type in songs that you want to listen to. Message, you can message other people online. And settings, you can just change colors of the background. That's it.
We made this app for people that certainly need help in situations where they can't get help. It's mainly directed to people 5 and up so that it can be a reasonable way of using the app. So if you ever need help, you can just hop onto this and yeah.
Hello, this is a message from us, there for you. We welcome you to this caring app for expressing your feelings. Click the button down below to get started. Enjoy your time and have fun.
Our app is named KP Elfie, and it helps prevent that if any kid is suffering from bullying, it lets us if they are being bullied in school or another place.
When we go on your homepage, there's a call us option, and you can add your own number, or you can call KP Elfie by the phone number above. Then you can go and text us and click on the chat button. Here you can chat with us and KP Elfie will talk to you. Then you can go and fill a survey, and once you've answered the questions, you press submit, and we will reply back to you in 48 hours. Then you go to settings. We've got a profile account, notifications, report issue, add parent details, reminders, calming game center, share app, and take notes.
Balloons! A customer! Grey one please, bye!
Yay, there's a hair, let's go! Yay, here, we're safe! Let's climb up this tree! There's a door! I'm saved! Ouch! I fell! I'm all wet. Oh, there's food in here! Thank goodness! Food! Milkshakes! There's another ice cream! I'm gonna eat it! I'm gonna sit down right here! You fell in the hole! Check it on the loose! Run! Chad! You're not getting away from me! Yes, you're under arrest now. Let's go, run! Where's my cat? Why are you crying so much? Go wash it.
I need a piece of paper to write. Oh my gosh, a llama corn! Oh my god, I forgot the instruction. Wait, actually I have it here. Oh my god, oh wait, no! Wait, is that it? Oh my god, it took the injection! No! here. Hey, go and help him. Okay, move. Okay, I'm coming. Don't worry, I got you. No, help me. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going. No, don't go. Let's swim. Okay, fine. Let's go. You need a life jacket? Sure.